Everyone, and welcome to lesson 2.3, day 2. Today we are going to talk all about the exterior angle theorem. So when we look at our triangles, we talked yesterday about our interior angles inside of the triangle. We also have, though, an exterior angle drawn on this diagram outside of the triangle. And in order to find the value, the measure of that angle, we can add up the two remote interior angles, the angles that are far away from it, not supplementary to it, and we can find the measure of that exterior angle. So that is what is known as the exterior angle theorem. The measure of angle 1, our exterior angle, will equal the two remote interior angles added up. So if we look at some of these examples, we identify in this one our two remote interior angles over here are T and U. We can add them together and they will give us the measure of our exterior angle. So 62 plus 60 will give us the measure of the exterior angle. So in this case, that is 122 degrees. And then notice on this one, they gave us the exterior angle. So again, if we add up our two remote interior angles, X that we don't know, angle G, and add it to the other interior angle, that should equal 98. So if we subtract the 24 from the 98, we should get our missing interior angle to be 74 degrees. Right, again, when we look at that, you always want to say, okay, what are they giving me? In this case, they gave me the two remote interior angles, so I can add those together to get the exterior. So interior plus interior equals that exterior. 96 plus 36 is 132 degrees this time. And again, be careful, this time they gave us that exterior angle. So again, remote interior plus remote interior, 30 plus x has to equal that exterior angle. So again, we're going to end up subtracting from the exterior angle to get our final answer, 119 minus 30. That other angle is 89. So notice the exterior angle always ends up being larger than our remote interiors as well. There are two examples for you to try. First, find the exterior angle in number 5, and then find one of the remote interior angles in number 6. Now, again, we can also use this information to help us algebraically set up and solve. So in this particular one, they are giving us our two remote interior angles that we need to add together. So 7x minus 7 plus 75 is going to equal the exterior angle, which in this case is 12x plus 13. So as we start solving this time, we are going to combine negative 7 plus 75. That's a total of 68. And now that everything is condensed down, I'm going to subtract the smaller from both sides. Get 68 equals 5x plus 13. Subtract the 13. 68 minus 13 is 55. And then last but not least, when we divide by 5, x equals 11 this time. Now, occasionally they will ask you to plug that value of x back in. So in number 8, we can set up and find x by adding our two remote interiors together. And this time they need to sum up to equal our exterior angle, which is 118. So when we draw our line down, condense first, then we can cancel. So 6x plus 3x is 9x. Negative 2 plus 12 is 10. Subtract the 10 from both sides. We get 9x equals 108. And then we divide by 9, x equals 12. Be sure to answer the question, though. This time they want angle D, which is right here. So 3 times 12 plus 12 is 48 degrees for the measure of angle D. All right, we have two more examples for you to try on your own. The first is asking you to set up and solve for x. The second is asking you to set up and solve for x and then plug it back in to find the measure of angle u. Thanks everyone for watching. That's the end of lesson 2.3.